Nid yw'r dyn hwn fel yr ymddengys. Nid yn unig yw'n ceisio llenwi petrol I geir dychmygol, ond mae'n ceisio tynnu llygau tegannau meddal am fywoliaeth. Ei enw yw Matthew Creedland, a dyma fe gyda llond bwrdd o nwyddau amheus. Swyddog safonau masnach yw hwn.
Trading Standards is here for two main reasons. To protect consumers and also ensure that there's a fair trading environment. We provide a consumer rights service, so if somebody has a dispute with a trader, we're here to provide expert advice and hopefully negotiate a settlement with the trader. We cover product safety legislation. We ensure that all products sold are safe. Fair trading, we ensure that products are described correctly, that pricing isn't misleading, and also we cover weights and measures. So if somebody goes into a pub and they order 25 millilitres of whiskey, then that's what they should be given. If they go to a petrol station, they order 20 litres of petrol, then 20 litres should be provided. Another area of concern for us is anti-counterfeiting. If there's money to be made in copying something, then criminals will find a way to copy it. This could be counterfeit perfume, it could be counterfeit DVDs, it could be counterfeit bags, whatever people can turn their hand to, then that's what they will do. But the main area of concern is counterfeit DVDs. They're so easy to copy nowadays and people are selling them on eBay, they're just turning up at car boot sales. Very difficult to enforce, but we do our best. If we find people selling this sort of thing, they will be prosecuted. And that's Trading Standards.